Hello friend, welcome to the Digital Board YouTube channel. This video is telling about by 5 tips for building your competitive intelligence dream team from CI leaders at Dropbox and Stripe. So let's start my video. Medicine Blast on Tuesday, October 27, 2022. Reading time 7 minutes. Assembling a team may take more than just finding candidates with the right keywords on their resumes. Company culture, soft skills, and communication skills are key to putting together the right combinations to latent to help a company grow. And when it comes to an emerging field like competitive intelligence, figuring out where to look for the right hires can be a challenge. That's why carry on both George Bayer for a director of product marketing at Paradox and Scott Frost product marketing manager at Stripe together for a discussion about the best ways to hire and scale your CI dream team. Here are some key takeaways that Scott and George had to share. How do you know what it's time to hire? The decision to hire a dedicated competitive intelligence team requires buy-in front all levels of leadership and a clear direction for the new hires to ensure that they are adding value to the company. Before beginning the hiring process, George encourages companies to take the time to evaluate the ways in which ACI ACI team will add clear value to their business for by focusing on the areas that will drive the most value. You can make the most of the CI talent that you bring on board. As changes happen, it the benefit business. You don't wait it to be a nice to know source of information. You want it to be critical to some aspect of what the business is driving. George added, how do you choose the right person? So you got an buy in the in from stakeholders, a clear mission for your impending CI team with measurable indicators of added value and a stack of consumes on your desk. Now what? Choosing candidates with the right experience is important, and that goes beyond strictly CI experience. What competency do you already have on your team, and what expertise are you lacking in some cases? A candidate with specific experience in sales or financial modeling might be able to provide the sort of insights that other members on your team may overlook. Soft skills matter to one of the main strengths straight Scott looks for in CI hires in intellectual curiosity. Considering how research heavy CI is, having a team that is driven by a desire to learn more and discover new ideas is critical. If you don't naturally want to understand why, and you don't want to big and you don't enjoy digging into pressure and answer, probably this is not a job role for you. Scott planned. Communication is key when evaluating the skills needed for your competitive intelligence. Team Scott and George agree that the ability to communicate both verbally and in writing is one of the most important competencies for your talent. You are going to be negotiating, consulting, Constantly, people are going to come to you with questions. George said, have a degree of conviction. As with any sort of research, CI has layered layers of nouns that a candidate must be able to comprehend. In particular, it's important that your CI staff knows how to communicate the subtitlist of the information they compile. That is what they know, what they think is true, and what they suspect. Being very disciplined and able to segment your language and your thinking between those will make you much better at the CIPs, Scott said. How do you see I fit into your company culture? Each company has a specific set of values that drives its culture. Some businesses are very data driven, focusing on crunching numbers and finding new ways to churn out higher revenue. Other companies focus on the story they have to tell and the best ways to get the narrative out to the world. At Dropbox, we have a very written and narrative culture, George said. That's how you enroll or enlist people into your cause, and CI is no exception. So, a CI team must be able to present a know it all narrative that clearly communicates that they have all the answers. Right? Not at all, Scott says. I strip, for example, transparency and collaboration are prioritized, meaning that a CI team must be comfortable admitting when they don't have all the answers. Scott emphasizes that in many cases, CI is about knowing the questions that need to be answered rather than having all the right information at your fingertips. There are dangers cultures that aren't that way transparent, where you need more accountability and need more internal checks to ensure that you have the right information, he said. Asking the right question. Finding the right CI team begins with the interview questions you ask and not just the ones you expect. Soft skills usually can't be captured on a resume but show themselves in a conversation. For example, George said that the tell me a time when questions can give you insight about candidates' emotions. Are they humble, able to navigate conflict, accepting of constructive criticism, being able to respond to skepticism to is key with an emerging field like CI, where you might have to communicate to the department that may not have bought into the concept quite yet. Scott, meanwhile, likes opening up a conversation about hobbies and interest to assess a candidate's intellectual curiously. Icebreaker questions about say what a conducts and a candidate listen to can give you insight into whether they are naturally curious person. Typically, people who are intellectually curious like to hear other people thought and why they think. That was Scott said. Well, evaluating these traits and soft skills in hard science, they can go a long way to determining whether a person is the right fit for the world of competitive intelligence. Want more insights from George and Scott? Check out the full CI live session recording outlining everything you need to know about hiring your CI dream team. Your seat at the table waits. Take the architect source and learn how to create a meaningful and measurable competitive intelligence program. Madison Bilask. Madison Bilas is a content marketing senior specialist at Carrion, where she creates compelling content that convert prior to joining Carrion. Madison worked as a senior copywriter at CXG Studio, a proudly woman-owned creative agency based in Boston, MA. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।